This is Muhammad Zahid with Engineering Training Platform. From this training platform, you will able to learn step-by-step PLC and to get high score in interview and certification. Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to discuss about ladder diagram programming, bit logic instructions, power flow, logical symbols and functions, contacts and coil instruction, logic gates, Boolean algebra instruction, inversion, set and reset bits, additional ladder diagram instructions, and self-assessment exercise. For my previous lecture, I already link in below description. Please subscribe, like and press the bell icon to get the further notification. You can see here in the picture three network. Network number 1, network number 2 and network number 3. Two networks are ready for the ladder network and network number 3 is preparing for the program. The network number 1, network number 2, network number 3, you can see the vertical line. This is the power flow line. For the network number 1, these are the parallel connection. The power can flow either from this contact or from this contact when it will be normally closed. When any of these contacts will be normally closed, the power will flow and execute the output coil instruction. For the network number 2, the both connection, these are the series connection, and both connection it should be normally closed for execution of the output coil. Here there is some additional point. Whenever output coil will be energized, this is the latching point for the output coil, it will be latch. It means it will be normally closed. And the power will flow from in this direction when this contact will be off or normally open. The CPU execute the user program. It scan each network from left to right, beginning with the instruction closest to the power rail. Ladder diagram programming is graphical programming language derived from the diagram and known as ladder logic program. It used for electromechanical control circuit. The network are numbered beginning with the top network as a network number 1. Because network resemble the rungs of a ladder and network sometimes refer to a rung. As shown in the graphic, normally open contact for the input and the output coil for the address of Q3.2. Normally open contact with indicating with I and 2.4, this is the address, and which is preceded by the percentage. And the output coil is indicating with Q with the address of 3.2 and preceded by the percentage, which perform logical operation using single bit memory locations, which are referred to as bit logic instruction. PLC use binary bits which represent 0 or 1. 0 indicating off position and 1 indicating on position. There is a portion of memory referred to a process image in CPU. The process image has bit assigned to every possible input and outputs. Even those inputs and outputs that are not connected to devices. For example, input I2.4 is associated with input bit 4 of input and byte 2 in the process image. Input I and output Q bits in the process image along with the type of memory which known as a bit memory. Bit memory are collectively called global memory because these memory areas are available to all code blocks. Now we will discuss about the power flow, then how the power will flow from the power rail when the contacts will be changed. A network in a ladder program is an arrangement of computer instruction. Each network is said to control power flow from the power rail. In programming terminology, this examination of logical condition is called solving the logic. And the solution of a configuration of instruction is called the result of logic operation. As you can see in the picture A, when the normally open contact instruction will normally close, then the power flow to the output coil instruction. The RLO to the output coil instruction is a logic 1 and the output coil instruction is executed. When the normally open contact will not change their contact, then power will not flow. In this condition, the RLO to the output coil instruction is a logic 0 and the output coil instruction is not executed. You can see here in the picture the parallel connections with both normally open contacts. When one of these contacts will be normally closed, then the power will flow either from this contact or from this contact. These are the series connection. It should be both normally closed to turn the motor 2 instruction, the coil instruction. When start motor 2 will be normally closed and stop motor 2 will be normally closed, the coil instruction will be executed. In the meanwhile, when the coil instruction motor 2 will be executed, this is the latching point for the motor 2. When the motor 2 will be operated, then this contact will be normally closed. Even though if start motor 2 will be normally open, the power will flow from this direction. Here you can see the parallel connections with the normally open contact. In the first contact, the normally open this is the first contact for the stop motor 2. It's a normally open contact. It should be normally closed for the power flow. Here again you can see for picture B and picture C, both are the same logical operation. Just change the point for the stop motor 2. When stop motor 2 point will be normally closed, the power will flow from this direction, and start motor 2, when it will be closed, the motor 2 will be operated. When motor 2 will be operated, the same which I explained for the picture B, this motor 2 contact will be normally closed and the power will flow from this direction, even though for the start motor 2 will be normally open, until somebody will push this stop button for the motor 2. We are going to discuss about logical symbols and functions. These are instructions that follow simple rules. The normally open contact instruction is closed and will pass the power flow when the status bit specified by the operand is 1. The normally closed contact instruction is closed and will pass power flow when the status bit specified by the operand is 0. The output coil instruction set the status bit specified by the operand to 1 when the instruction receive power flow. The inverter output coil instruction, which is not available for S7200, S7300 and S7400 PLCs, set the status bit specified by the operand to 1 when there is no power flow to the instruction. Now we will discuss about the contacts and coil instruction. Here you can see the ladder logic including with the truth tables. When we will discuss about the logic 0 means no change in the contacts, and when I will ask for the logic 1, it means the contact position will be changed. If it will be normally open, it will be changed from normally open to normally closed, and if it will normally close, it will be changed from normally closed to normally open contacts. Now you can see here in the ladder logic diagram, including with the truth table, when I 2.4 will be 0, it will be 0 means logic 0, and I 3.5 if logic 0, it means no change. The output coil will not be operated. When I 2.4 is 0, it means it will be normally open, and I 3.5 will be 1. It will be changed. It will be normally open, and the position, the output coil will not be executed. If I 2.4 will be logic 1, it means this contact will be normally closed, and here for I 3.5 with the logic 0, it means no change. Now it will be normally closed, and I 3.5 will be normally closed, then the output coil will be executed, then the output logic will be 1. Here when I 2.4 will 1, now it will be changed from normally open to normally closed, and I 3.5 will be 1, this is a logic 1, and the contact will be changed as a normally open. Normally closed power will flow up to here, but the contact will be normally open, then the output coil instruction with logic 0. Here you can see the ladder diagrams with inverters. It will change the position. If the output result will be 0, the inverter will be changed the result from 0 to 1. You can see the polarity change on this truth tables and on this truth tables. Here I 2.4 will be 0, then I 3.5 will be 0. The output result will be 0, but with inverter it will become 1, and all will be simultaneously. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comments. I will make the detailed video for these contacts. We are going to discuss about logic gates and Boolean algebra instructions. Ladder program incorporate configuration of instruction that represent logical condition derived from the Boolean logic used to design computer circuit. Some of the most common Boolean logic functions are the AND gate, OR gate, exclusive NOR, NAND gate, and NOT gate. Here I will discuss about the AND functions. You can see the symbols for the AND function. These both are the input, and here you can see the output. In the AND function, input 1 and input 2 will be multiplied and the result will become. It means the AND function will be represent the multiplications for both input 1 and input 2. In the AND function, you can see here the ladder logic. Whenever you are going to create the ladder logic, the functions will be the same. To see here, I 2.4 is normally open contact, and I 3.5 is a normally open contact. It means this is a logic 0. If we can discuss about the truth table, I 2.4 will be 0 and I 3.5 will be 0. It means logic 0, and this is the logic 0. If you will multiply both 0, the result output will become 0. It means the Q 3.2 is 0. For the next, if I 2.4 with logic 0 and I 3.5 with logic 1, if you will multiply 0 multiply by 1, the result will be 0. And for third one, if I 2.4 is 1 and I3.5 is 0. If you will multiply, the result will become 0. Only in one case, when I2.4 is 1, it means it will be normally closed, and I3.5 is 1, it means it's a normally closed, then the result output will be 1. In this condition, only in the AND gate the output coil will be executed. You can see the Boolean equation for this one. Q3.2 is output is equal to I2.4 multiply I3.5. On the other hand, you can see the symbols for the OR gates, and here I will define for the ladder logic, including with the truth tables and the booleans. OR gate represent the plus sign. These are input number 1 and input number 2. When you will plus this value, then the output result will come. In the ladder logic, you can see for the OR gate operation, the connection will be in parallels. When any of these connection will be normally closed, the output will be operated. Now I will define the truth table. I2.4 is 0 and I3.5 is logic 0, then the output will be 0. Here I2.4 is 0 and I3.5 is logic 1, then the power will flow from here and the output coil will be operated. Then I2.5, I2.4 is 1 and I3.5 is 0, then the power will flow in this direction and the output coil will be executed. On the last case, when the I2.4 is logic 1, it will be normally closed, and I3.5 is 1 and it will be normally closed. The power can flow any of these direction and the output coil will be executed. And this is the Boolean equation for the OR gate. Q3.2 is equal to I2.4 plus I3.5. Now we will discuss about the exclusive OR functions. These are symbols for the exclusive OR functions. This function actually it is depend on the odd numbers. When the input 1 is 1 or input 2 is 0, the output will be operated. Then it means the output will be 1. When both will be 0 or both input will 1, then output will be 0. Just it will be operated or it will be 1 when input 1 is 1 or output will be 0 on the odd numbers. Then the odd numbers the output will be operated. Now I will explain here in the ladder logic. You can see I2.4 is normally open, I3.5 is normally closed, and here same I3.5 is normally open and I2.4 is normally closed. The same here, the same connection which I explained earlier for the OR gates, and these connections are in parallels. Now for the truth table, if I2.4 is 0, logic 0, then I3.5 is 0, then the Q3.2 will be 0. It will be operated only when I2.4 is logic 0, it will be logic 0, there is no operation, and I3.5 is logic 1, then the power will flow from this direction and the output coil will be executed. On the other hand, I2.4 is 1 and I3.5 is logic 0, then the power will flow from this direction and the output coil will be executed. On the last one, when I2.4 is 1 is a logic 1 and I3.5 is logic 1, also the output coil will not be executed. You can see here the Boolean equation for the exclusive OR, and Q3.2 is equal to I2.4 plus inverted with I3.5. Here you can see the symbol for the NAND gate. which is opposite of AND gates. This is the equation, this is the ladder logics including with the truth tables. When the input 1 and input 2 will be 0, the output will be 1. You can see in the previous presentation, then when both will be 0 in the AND gate, the result will be 0. But here in the NAND gate, it will be changed. The same for the truth tables. When input 1 is 0 and input 2 is 1, the result will be 1. All will be same change. In the AND gate, in this condition will be turned on, but in the NAND gate it will be 0. And this is the Boolean equations for the NAND gates. Now we will discuss about the NOR gates. This NOR gate is opposite of OR gates. You can see here is the inverter. In the OR gate, before, if input 1, I can explain here in the truth tables. When the input A is 0 and input B is 0, the result will be 1. And you can see in the before, in the OR gate, 0 plus 0 it is equal to 0, but here it will be changed. And this remaining 3 conditions, in the OR gate it will be 1, but here in the NOR logic it will be 0. You can see here for the Boolean equation with the inverter of the output. And you can see here the exclusive NOR logic with the symbol truth tables. When the input A will be 0 and output B will be 0, the result will be 1. The same equation you can see whenever in the exclusive NOR, when the even value will become, the output will be 1. When odd values will become, then the result will be 0. It means it should be both will be 0 0, or input 1 and input 2 will be 1 1. The exclusive NOR will be operated. On the odd values 1 0 or 0 1, the exclusive NOR logic will be 0. In the NOT gate, you can see here these are the symbols for the NOT gate. The symbols for this one, if 0 0 it will be 1, and 0 1 it will be 1, it will be duplicate, actually it will be change the value. If A will be 1, then the output will be 0. If the A will be 0, the output will be 1. And these are the symbol for the NOT gate. They will change the positions of the bit. Bit will be 0, it will be changed for 1. When the input will be 1, the result will be 0. This is very good to understand the Boolean algebra equations. I hope you will enjoy this lecture. This is an example for the logic gate with equations. Now I already explained this is the symbol for the AND gate, this is a symbol for the OR gate, and after that these values will be add, it means the OR gate. The Z is the output, you can see the Z here, Z is equal to. AND gate, I inform you this AND gate will do the multiplication for the input A and input B. You can see here for the input A and input B the multiplications. This plus sign, next you can see this is the plus sign for the OR gate. And after that you can see the input C and input D. OR means we are doing the plus with C plus D. Here you can see A multiply B because it's AND gate, and C plus D. And after that we will add this value and that value. AB plus CD. AB AND gate, if you can see the truth table in the previous slides, you can see when both input will be turned on, both input will be normally closed, logic 1, then the output will be energized. Now A is normally open and B is normally open. When both will be turned on, the output will be on. But in OR gate, when any of these contact will be changed or contact will be closed, the power will flow from the contacts and the output coil will be energized. For the next, I will explain you for the complete equations, and I hope it will be understand. The Boolean algebra can be used to simplify logic circuits. Again, you can see here, this is the AND gate, this is the AND gate, and this is the OR gate. The same which I explained here, the AND gate now input A and input C. A multiply by C, you can see here in the equation, A multiply by C. Z, this is the output, Z is equal to. Now for number 1 AND gate, A multiply by C. After that, this equation will come here. This is the OR gate. The OR gate symbol is plus. You can see here the plus. In the second equations, you can see for the AND gate also this is combined with A, and here you can see D. A multiply by D. A multiply by D. This is one complete equations. After that, this equation come again with the OR gate with plus. You can see here plus. Now we will read the second equations. You can see here this is B and C. B multiply by C. B multiply by C, and then B multiply by C, the OR gates will become. OR gate means plus, and second, the last one, you can see it is coming from B and the other one is coming from D. B multiply by D. This is the complete equations. I hope you understand these equations. And after that, in the last presentation, I put the self-assessment exercise. Please try to resolve the issues, and the output result will be put in the comments. This inversion slide only for your understanding in details, because I already discussed about that one. To see the AND functions, truth tables with the ladder logic, and the invert part for the AND function is the NAND functions. It will be opposite to the AND gates. Here you can see the OR functions including ladder logic, including with the truth tables, and OR function will be opposite to the NOR functions. You can see the same polarity. If the result will be 1 for the OR function and the NOR functions, the result will be 0. It will be changed. The same here for the I 2.4 will be 0, the output will be 1. When input will be 1, the output will be 0. We are going to discuss about instruction the set and reset bits. There are a variety of ladder instruction for setting and resetting bits. For example, the graphic shows network with set and reset coil instruction. When there is power flow to the set coil instruction, the bit specified by the instructions operand is set to 1. When there is power flow to the reset coil instruction, the bit specified by the instruction operand is reset to 0. In this example, when I 2.4 is set to 1, the normally open contact close, there is power flow to the set coil instruction, and Q 3.2 is set to 1. Output Q 3.2 remains a 1 even if I 2.4 later goes to 0. When I 4.3 is 1, there is power flow to the reset coil instruction, and Q 3.2 reset to 0. Now you can see the example of the ladder logic set reset flip-flop functions. These instruction functions, the same as a set reset flip-flop instruction, except that the set input is dominant. In other words, with power flow at both the set and the reset inputs, the output and memory operand for the set reset flip-flop are both 1. In the example shows, note that a bit memory address is used as an operand. Using a bit memory address rather than an input I or output Q operand avoid the problems of picking two operand that could otherwise be used by the PLC input-output modules. Now I categorize the additional ladder diagram instruction, and a ladder program can include a variety of basic and extended instructions. The basic instructions are grouped in the following categories: bit logic instruction, timers, counters, compare and match instruction, move instruction, convert instruction, program control instruction, word logic, shift and rotate instructions. The extended instructions are grouped in the following categories: clock, calendar, string, characters, program, control, communication, interrupts, PID, motion control and pulse. I hope you understand all the topics. This is the self-assessment exercise. I appreciate it if you will solve the problems and give me the reply on my comments. The self-assessment exercise that a machine is switched on by either of two push buttons, A or B. There is a safety barrier on the machine with a limit switch D at the close position. In addition, there is proximity switch C to detect if any is standing inside the barrier. If there is, the machine must no start. All have normally open contacts. Now what I need from you, just write out a suitable Boolean expression, put more 00 for all condition. Okay, make 0000 for input from 0 to start from 000, 0001, 10, 11, 100, just to make by this the condition, to check all the condition when A will be, what will be happen the result. Then what I need from you, write out a suitable Boolean expression, draw the ladder logic diagram for the Boolean expression and construct the truth tables. Please, I hope you will enjoy this lecture. Please subscribe, like and press the bell icon to get the further notification.
This is end of lecture. Please help to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.